Welcome to Dog Star Tarot. This is a love reading for the new moon on the 14th of October 2023. May or may not resonate with you, so take what does and keep an open mind if it doesn't. The energies are changeable, so let's see what the cards have got. A Ace of Cups, beautiful, new love. The Emperor, could be an Aries. Eight of Swords. You're not looking at things clearly. I'll take two more. Four of Cups. And the Five of Cups. A lot of cups. Okay. See, right off, we start off with the Ace of Cups, which is a beautiful, beautiful card for love. And a major arcana, the Emperor. This guy is about strategy and applying logic to whatever situation. So he's in control. Okay. Whereas here we've got the Four of Cups, which I always think is about a bit bratty card, really. She's got all of these cups and this one's being handed to, but she doesn't want it. She doesn't want this Ace of Cups. And the same here with this one, the Five of Cups, going so far as to sort of tip over what she's got. She's been given this. She doesn't want them. Okay. But look at this, the Eight of Swords. This is not seeing clearly. This is about, like, I think wanting things to be different. You know, not wanting what's in this cup. And actually deliberately sabotaging it. So I would say that these, I think it's time to take off the blindfold. Make sure that what you're wishing for, what you're manifesting, especially at the full moon, because there's an eclipse as well, isn't there? Sorry, the new moon. There's an eclipse. I think be careful that you're not wanting the wrong things. I think be very clear about what you're, take off the blindfold, be very clear about what you're wanting to manifest in the new moon. Apply some sort of strategy and logic when you take off the blindfold. Don't be too caught up in your emotions and what you think is what you want. Just be really clear. Okay. And you can have the Ace of Cups. You just got to be clear that you're not turning your back on something that could be good for you. Take off the blindfold. So that's what I've got for you.